Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect GoPro Mission 1 Pro to the Quik app. So first we have the GoPro Quik app. You can download it on App Store or Play Store. It doesn't really matter, the process is the same. So we can go over into the App Store. You'll have it whenever you say GoPro Quik. And here you'll have it. So it's a movie maker and time-lapse clips by GoPro Inc. We're gonna click open, and as you guys can see, this is how the app looks like. So here we're gonna go to GoPro. We're gonna click connect a GoPro, and now we're gonna allow the app to find Bluetooth devices. Make sure that you enable your GoPro by pressing on this button right here. So this is our turn on button. I'm gonna place it back, and we're gonna click allow. Now it is searching for a GoPro, and we're gonna select our Mission 1 Pro. Now my camera is on, and here we need to basically follow the tutorial. So you want to swipe down into connections. Now we simply want to go to here. So we want to swipe to the right, and now we're gonna click on connect device. Now as you guys can see here, we got the device. We're gonna click connect, and it found our GoPro, so we're gonna click connect. As you guys can see, it is pairing. We're gonna click pair right here to that Bluetooth request, and soon we should have our GoPro connected into the Quik app. So as you guys can see here, our iPhone popped up. Now it's a Quik app. Here we can name it Mission 1 Pro, or we can leave as GoPro and some numbers. I'm gonna save the name, and now here you can subscribe for auto upload, but I'll do this later. And as you guys can see, our Mission 1 Pro is ready. So let's click let's go, and as you guys can see, this is our camera. We're gonna click on the three dots here. We can power it on, we can power it off, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.